So like I said, if you want to watch any video concerning this, ladies, there you get it. And if you want to chat with your group members, you click on chat and you can see your group members. You can see this Abakwam Ngozi from Lagos. Oyo says, good morning, my fellow Cambodians, and you can see me. I'm just Olalekan on the good morning. Just type I, it will reflect immediately. You can see I. Now, let's go back to our content, which is the courses outlined. Now you click on start. Now this is for bash. You click on start. Now when you click start, okay. So now what you try, these are the courses. Like I told you, these are the courses. You click on preparation day. Click on start. When you click start, you have the Career School Regulation Facebook account. These are all you have to do on the preparation day. Now when you click, and that preparation day is like 3 days ago. So when you click start on the Career School Regulation, it's just the rules and regulation guiding the school. So it is all written here. You have to go through it so that you know all the rules, so that you won't go against the rules. Now you click on yes and submit. Once you click submit, there's something will be marked for you that you have completed the task. So you go to current list of lessons. So all these good you are seeing is, it means I've completed all my tasks. But this is the major task here, which is Facebook accounts. What you have to do here is go to your Facebook, create a Facebook page, then bring in your, what's it called, Mavro, probably your, bring in some banners like your Mavro page, GH request page, understand? Those things that can entice people to at least ask you things about MMM. So try and design the page very well. Then invite some of your friends to like the page as well. Copy the link and click on start here. When you copy the link, there is a space where you put the link. You will see it there. I've done mine, so something is not coming. So you can see this is my Facebook link. So this is a Facebook page link rather. When you paste it, you click on submit, and something will be half green until the moderator marks it. So once the moderator marks it, it will be full green. Now this is the mentor that marks the Facebook page. Now you go back towards your online courses and invest again. So you do the remaining courses. You do the remaining tasks for the day. So after that, you come back to day one task. So this day one task is basically on, I think it's basically tests. So I had to do it yesterday, but I was kind of busy. Now you can see we have Nigeria Ideology Regulation, how to work in social network, work with this, this. So these are most of the books you have to go through and read. And how do you do that? You click on start. When you click on start, you see, I told you it's basically tests. That test you have to do. What is MMM? Is it a social financial community? Is it an investment fund? Is it a multi-level company? And the answer is even picked already. The social financial community. Now, what is the minimum growth rate of Marvel? Is it 20%? Is it 30%? Is it 40%? Is it 100%? So, what's the minimum growth rate? Then 30%. What is the percentage of referral bonus? 10%. Where your money goes when you provide help in MMM? Is it directly to another person who needs help? You understand? Which is the correct answer. What is the percentage of guided bonus for contribution of your second level downline? The contribution, the percentage of guided bonuses for contribution of your second level downline. Second level, first level means the direct people under you, which is 5%. Then the second level is what? Is 3%. Now, if you want to change your phone number in your poll, what do you need to do? Contact your guider, write to support team, ask people in the Facebook chat. Now, what bonus will you receive if your first contribution is $50? If your first contribution is $50, you receive what? You receive $20 registration bonus. What is the percentage of guider bonus for contribution of your first level downline? Which is 5%. If you are a referral guider and your participants, what bonus will you receive? Which is 10%. What guaranteed to contribute to receiving a contribution as secure and loan agreement contribution a promise to receive an interest rate? Measure as secured by investment contract. There are no legal guarantees in MMM. Why does MMM community so? What does make MMM community? Partnership with corporation, responsibility, due diligence, high scales of product to public, responsibility and diligence of its what? Of its member. What is the goal of MMM? To create a financial world order, make people richer, increase the profits created. So when you are done with the test, you click on submit. But for you to, if you want to get all these answers I'm picking, it's not that just that I'm picking them. I know most of them because I've gone through the books a very long time. So you can also read the books here. You read everything about the ideology, so you'll be able to pick the correct answers. So when you are done, you click on submit. So when you've submitted the test, you go back to the list of lessons. Now you can see it has been marked, which means I've passed the test for ideology and regulations. Now the next one is how to work in social networks. You click on start. Now, basically what they want you to do here is, I can't wait for it to load. They want you to watch this video so that you know how to work in social network. So, do you now understand how social, because I know how it works. Let me click submit. So you can see it has been marked for green. Work with groups on Facebook. This one too will just teach you how to work with Facebook groups. To work on Facebook in groups. See that? So go through them. Click submit when you are done reading. Go back to your current list of lessons. Personal brand in social network. Learn to work in social networks. Click on start. You can start. You go through all the list of write-offs here, and you go through them. You click yes and submit as well. Now go to the current list of lessons again. You can see the way once I'm done with one, I'm getting a full mark green, which means I've completed the task. How does it work? Learn how MMM works. So this is all about how MMM works. So go through it. Then you have to answer the test here too. So how does it work? What kind of society do you still live in? Is it a free society? Is it equal rights society? Is it slaveholding society or enslaved society? And you can't play all these depositors at the same time? No. Based on what kind of structure do the banks operate? Is it square? Is it pyramid? Is it rectangle? Is it pyramid? What do the insurance companies and pension funds do with the money you pay them now? Store it safely for when you need it now. Use it now and pay their debts together. Actually is invest in real estate business. Does everybody has a rule receive the money that they're supposed to receive from insurance company and pension funds? No. Will the MMM collapse of if all people of the word be a participant in MMM? What are the two factors needed for MMM to continue working perfectly? The incoming cash flow should be equal or higher than the outward flow. There should be mid-constant high, no panic. The participant should take credit. No, the incoming cash flow should be equal or higher than the outward. Now, what is the mechanism invented to prevent the restart of MMM? Pause mode. What should you do to avoid risk in MMM? Donate or no? Donate only the spare money that you don't use at the moment. Now you complete case summit. Go back to the list of lessons again. Now, good. You can see I'm having a question mark is because I did not get one of the questions right. So what I have to do now is to go back and study my book very well again in order to what to get the one that is wrong or right. Okay, this one is correct, this one is correct, this one is correct. Okay, let me check that. This one is correct. Yeah, this one is correct. This one is correct. This one is correct. Yeah, so let me submit and see what will happen now. I guess it should be good now. You can see it's good now. So that's how to correct your answers. So work with objective length. You click on start and you click start. You come here, you click submit. Go to current list of lessons. Now you come here again, evening group meeting. Now good. When you are done with all your tasks for the day, this is the last lesson of the day. Now you have to visit the what's it called, the group meeting. They take records of it, so always make sure you visit the group meeting, please. It's very, very important. So they discuss the current day and ask questions. So you can see you go to the meeting now. You can see daily group evening meeting are very important. Your presence is required. We will discuss the day and share our experience. If you have any questions, the teacher will answer all of them and will clarify the most points. So you click on go to meeting to take you to the meeting. You click on chat to join the meeting. So the meeting is over. The meeting is over already. So let me explain other things to you. So you click on menu to go back to the with my course and events. Click on start. As you can see, I'm done with the preparation day. I'm done with the day one activity as well. So my next day, which is day 2, will be open for me to operate in the next 2 hours, 13 minutes, 13 seconds, which is probably today. I will get it after in the next 2-3 hours. It will be unlocked for me to go through as well, so I can do the task in me. The same thing for this one. We have a day left for this. So like that. So when you basically you should be able to finish all the tasks in the next 7 days to 8 days. And when you are done with all the tasks, here is where you get your certificate. And in the next 1 or 2 weeks, your phone will be upgraded. So please, whatever you don't understand, probably in the day 2 or day 3, I might also I might do the video or explain it to you guys in the WhatsApp group. So welcome to MNM community. This is guide out easy with you, and together what will change the world. Goodbye.